Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use amazing seasoning in Heartopia. Amazing seasoning is a universal cooking ingredient that upgrades the quality of any dish that you make, so your food always has at least 2-star quality. And if you still don't have it yet, you can check the tutorial link in the descriptions to learn how to get it. Now let's use it. First, just go to your stove, tap on it, and then just choose the recipe that you want to cook. In here, I want to cook apple pie like this. And then before start cooking, just checklist the checkbox for amazing seasoning. This one, just check it to add the ingredient into your dish. And then next, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And after that, just cook the food. And okay, like this, your food will automatically have a higher quality, minimum 2 stars like that, which is perfect for class or maybe selling. And okay, that's it. Super easy but very useful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.